Hello everyone, so this is our 300 cylindrical reservoir. It have a 50 of diameter and it have a top fill port from where you can fill the coolant. You can have two compression fitting installed here, or if you want to install pump at the bottom, you can install the pump at the bottom as well. So this is the reservoir. You will get two clamps to install it or to connect it with your cabinet. You will get all the installation screws. You will get L brackets to support the pump or the reservoir. You will get two water stoppers, one for the top and one for the compression for one of these holes, because you need only two holes, one for inlet and another for outlet. Then you will get one two-side male screw. So if you want to connect the pump directly at the bottom, you can connect this to the bottom and pump to this side. And you will also get two G1/4 threaded compression fittings. So this accommodates the tubing of 8 size. So this is the complete set you will get in our reservoir. So thank you.